Hi. So today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is how important is natural light in architecture or interiors. So talking about a house where we have, say, natural light, I'll give you an example of a wall. So a wall with a small window will give you a certain light that will be only focusing on certain objects or elements of that space. But when you have a large window on a large wall, it tends to basically provide you light that balances or completely falls on all the objects of that space. So it's a very equal distribution of the light. Coming to one of the projects that we worked in, and this was a very challenging site because we had like a very narrow site. So we had to obviously give them a lot of pockets of lights because the space constraint was there. Plus we all obviously wanted a lot of natural light into the house. So we made these light wells, which then was attached to certain rooms with larger windows. And it was completely changing of how one envisioned the house, because it was no more like a box or a box placed right next to another box. It was more like, a house which had a shape and form of its own. And there was these light wells which we then accentuated with different types of decors, which even when I view from the window, it still looks nice. So these are some ways of how we can play with windows in a house. So why don't you try out one of them and let us know how it went?